Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of Ben Daily Tips. Today we are going to learn how to add or remove new language on Windows 10. Going to Start menu, click on Settings, and here select Time and Language. On the left side, click on Language, and here you can see this button, Add a Language. Click on that and search for your language. I'm going to search for another English language, for example, English Singapore. And now select that and click on Next button. Here you can check or uncheck these options. And after that, you can click on Install. Takes some time to install. You should wait. If you go to your taskbar, here you can change your keyboard layout. As you can see, Singapore is added here. You can select that and use that keyboard. And if you want to remove this newly added language, you can go to the Start menu, go to the Settings, select Time and Language again, Language, and here find your language and click on Remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it.